Hello everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be a variety of different things. First, I'm taking you home decor shopping with me at a new store that I've never shopped at before. It was really fun. And then we're gonna go back home and do some decorating. We're gonna finish setting up the office, and then I will give you a full office tour. And then the second half of the video is going to be cleaning motivation. We're going to make some cookies. So I hope that you guys enjoy the variety of different things in this video. The store that I am shopping at here is called At Home. They just opened up one in Tucson, Arizona. My sister-in-law had told me about it, and so I wanted to stop and check it out the next time I was in town, and I was not disappointed. If you have an at-home store in your local area, definitely go in and just browse around. It is like a warehouse of home decor. It's so huge, almost overwhelming. That's how huge it is, and such a wide variety of stuff. It was so much fun, and I'll definitely be coming back to get some other stuff for the house because I saw a lot of stuff that I liked. The prices were really good. I've been in desperate need for some new dish towels and rags, and I found some that I really liked at home. They were a good price. I don't remember the exact price of these. It looks like that six-pack of dishcloths was $4.99, and I'm thinking that the hand towels were like $6.99. So that's not too bad when there's like 6 in a pack. They also had really neat cleaning supplies with the wooden handles. So much greenery. I love greenery, and so I was loving all of this, all of the fiddly fig trees. And then on the other side of the store, it was just a maze of chairs and bar stools, like every kind of style that you could think of. And I really love these bar stools. They were a great price, a lot cheaper than they are online, but they were going to be way too tall for our countertop. I need a stool that's 24 inches tall, and these were 30 inches tall. So I did end up finding some that I liked online. I ordered those the other day, so stay tuned to see those. They had so many cute baskets, like 2 aisles full of baskets. These ones were my favorite right here, the circle one and the rectangular one. And also a lot of rugs at really great prices. The jute rugs were a great price, better than what I've seen online. And I did end up getting a jute rug for the laundry room, so once we got back home, I was going to sweep the tile, get it all ready to lay down the new rug. And I did get one of these like grip things to go underneath of the rugs. They have all different sizes of these for sale right beside of the rugs. So I laid that out. I got a 3x5 because my rug is a 3x5. Got that unpackaged. I really love this rug. It's perfect for the door because this is where we come in with our dirty shoes, and this rug is perfect for that. I wanted a really big one to cover up the tile. I ordered some curtains from Target that I was going to hang up here in the dining room, and I will try to put a link for everything that I can down below in the description box. I really love those curtains. Then I picked up my favorite curtain rods from Walmart. These are the ones that I used in the boys' bedroom. They're a nice matte black color, and they're a great price, and this is what I'm trying to cover up with these curtains. We've got sliding glass doors that go into our screened-in porch, and we do eventually want to make this screened-in porch look a lot better, but I still don't really want to be able to see into there from the dining room. And so for a temporary fix until we decide what we want to do at this door, I decided to hang up some curtains, and these helped so much. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. It just helps to block off that ugly view and make it feel more like a cozy room. also chose this curtain rod to use here because it rounds at the edges so that you can pull the curtain all the way around to the wall and then nobody can see into that room. It just completely covers up the sliding glass doors. I love how it looks. I think these curtains match the wall perfectly. I like that they filter in some light so it still brings in light into the dining room, but yet you can't see into that screened-in porch. Now we are getting our office / bonus room finished up here so that I can give you a little tour. We wanted to put together this foosball table from Best Choice Products to have in the corner of the room, just something fun to add to the office. Not only is this room an office, but it's also kind of like a bonus room. We want to have the movie screening here eventually with a big beanbag chair. And we made a little stained frame for this canvas that we had that I wanted to put up on the wall, organized the closet a bit, and got the room swept up. Okay, so here is our office / bonus room in progress. There still is stuff that we want to do in here. Hang stuff up on the walls, put some curtains in. We still have to put the black handle on the door and the black hinges. And it's not the fanciest office in the world, like our chairs don't match or anything like that, but it's functional. And that's what we wanted, was just a functional space for both of us to work at, play games, watch movies, whatever. That is how this room turned out, and we are loving it. And I'm loving this chair from Best Choice Products. It's really big for an office chair, but I love that it's so big because I can curl up in it, be super comfy while I'm editing videos. Sometimes I'm sitting here for hours at the desk editing videos, so to be able to have a big comfy chair like this is awesome. It's great quality, so comfortable, and such a cute chair. The link will be down below. And also that foosball table was from Best Choice Products. We've been having so much fun with that thing. The link for that will be down below as well. We've been playing it with the kids. Me and my husband have been playing it. My husband always wins though. I need to get better at it, practice more so that I can hopefully beat him one of these days. Behind there is a closet. Right now we're just using this for storage, but we might eventually have the movie screen mounted in here on the wall. It just would be a great place for that, and then we could have the beanbag chair out in the middle. But for now, this is what the office is looking like. I will film when we put those black hinges and the black handle on that exterior door, but for now this is how it's looking. We are really loving the space. Let me know down below what you guys think. And now the second portion of this video is going to be some cleaning motivation for you guys. For those of you who missed the cleaning motivation and you need some today, then this second half of the video is for you. Once we get the kitchen cleaned up, I'm also going to be sharing a really yummy chocolate chip cookie recipe. They turned out so soft and yummy, so stay tuned for that recipe. When I clean my kitchen, of course, first I tidy off my countertops, throw away any trash, put stuff away, and I put all of the dishes right around the sink, whether I'm putting them in the dishwasher or having to wash them by hand. I will just stack them all on the counter beside the sink, and then once the whole kitchen is cleaned up, then I will tackle the dishes, put the ones in the dishwasher that go in there, and then wash the ones by hand that need to be washed by hand. I'm loving having a dishwasher again. Back in the rental, we didn't have a dishwasher for a couple of months, and I had to wash everything by hand. I honestly got used to it after a while and it wasn't that bad, but now that I'm back to using a dishwasher again, it's amazing. This Method all-purpose French lavender cleaner is what I've been using on my kitchen countertops lately. I think I picked this up at Target. It smells amazing and it does a really good job. Jalen and the boys have really been wanting some cookies, so I decided to whip some up here quickly after I got in the kitchen cleaned up. I always feel inspired to bake or cook when I have a clean kitchen, but then you just end up messing up your kitchen again. So I try to clean up as I'm baking, put stuff away as soon as I use it, put stuff in the dishwasher. I'm making those chocolate chip cookies that I told you guys about. I found this recipe on allrecipes.com. It was my first time trying it, and they turned out so good. They were like the softest chocolate chip cookies that I've ever made. So I'll be sure and link the recipe down below if you guys want to go and try it. I'm not the type of person that uses the same chocolate chip cookie recipe every single time. Sometimes I will, but usually I like to find a different recipe every time. Just try something new. Most of the time though, the best chocolate chip cookie recipe is the recipe that's on the back of the bag of chocolate chips. But this recipe was definitely a win. These cookies only lasted 2 days in our house. The boys do clean their room every day throughout the week, but I like to come in at least one day out of the week and just clean it up for them, get things reorganized so that it's easier for them to keep the room clean. I feel like I have to explain this every time I show myself cleaning the room because someone always says in the comments, why aren't my boys cleaning their own room? Well, they do clean their room every day throughout the week, but usually on the day that I'm filming a cleaning video is that one day out of the week that I like to come in and clean and organize their room for them. And it really does help for them to be able to keep the room cleaner throughout the week if I come in and do this once a week. There is a whole video on their bedroom makeover. It's a huge transformation. If you want to go back and watch that video, I've got links for everything in case anybody has questions about where stuff is from. And if you're new here, we've been renovating this house for the last couple of months. We bought it as a fixer-upper and we've been filming this whole home renovation process. So we've got all of those videos over on my channel if you want to go and see those, and subscribe if you're new and if you enjoy my videos because we've got more projects coming in the future. While I was vacuuming the floor, I wanted to quickly vacuum out some of these window seals as well, and wow, I did not realize how dirty these windows were until I started vacuuming these. When you're renovating a house, you kind of forget about things like washing the windows after renovations, because obviously the windows get really dirty. I have washed a few of the windows in the house, but I need to go through and wash every single window. And I'm still loving this vacuum that I shared in my last cleaning video. It is just so handy to have for cleaning out the truck. I've been vacuuming the whole house with it and the window seals because it comes with all of those attachments. I hope that you enjoyed today's shop, decorate, and clean with me video. Stay tuned because the next video on my channel will be the next episode in the home renovation series. We've got a lot of stuff that we'll be working on in that video. One of those things is that the sliding glass doors there by the kitchen get turned into a window, which is really exciting. So stay tuned to see that, and be sure you're subscribed if you're new, and I will see you in a couple days in that next video. Bye.